Hey guys, John, Vapor Hunting Technologies. Thanks for tuning in today, watching another informative video here that we have for you. The topic of today's video is going to be metal versus polymer. Those are the two different types of cabinets that we build. Obviously the polymer being a non-metallic, non-rusting, non-ferrous material, extremely tough, extremely durable, something we've been producing since 2016. And then we have the metal side of the spectrum, which is your more industrial, more robust, more expensive product line that we do offer. Now, in the metal product line, we offer a ferrous and non-ferrous material. So we have carbon steel, which is powder coated, but carbon steel does rust over time. That's carbon steel. It is a cheaper alternative option. Then you have stainless steel, which we either can polish and leave raw, or we can powder coat a color of your choice, and that's something you can discuss with your salesperson. And then we also have a third material, thanks to COVID-19, and that is aluminum. So aluminum is also a big deal. It's a lighter weight product. It's more affordable. It's going to be longer lasting than carbon steel, but it's going to be a little bit cheaper than stainless steel moving forward, since the astronomical metal prices increased during the pandemic that we had. We saw 200–300% increase in stainless steel. So those are three of the metal materials that we build cabinets out of. And again, we have polymer cabinets. Our polymer cabinet line, we have at least 4 or 5 different product offerings, small sizes, mid-size, and then large cabinets that you can choose from. And a lot of people want to ask the difference between, or how do I choose between a metal and a polymer? It really comes down to your budget and the demand and the use that you're going to put on the machine. And I have seen the polymer cabinets put in manufacturing environments every day since 2016, and we've had 0 problems. However, I like to tell people, depending on how many people are going to use the cabinet per day, that would also help me make a decision. So if I'm going to have 10–15 people using this machine, 10 or 15 people probably will not take care of the product, and they will try to tear things up. Maybe not intentionally, maybe intentionally, who knows. But your stainless and your aluminum and your carbon option are going to be more fit for your highest use applications, and then your polymer would be your mid-level to lesser volume duty applications. However, again, they've been mixed and matched all over the board for many years now, and we've had really good success. So it really comes down to you and your budget, and again, your spacing, your size needs. And that's something that the sales team can always help you with. Hopefully that helps answer a few questions for you. I'm sure that you may or may not have seen some of the videos that we've produced on the polymer cabinet toughness. If you haven't, go check those out. But those cabinets are very robust and very durable. So as always, if you have questions, call or email the sales team. They're always here, happy to help. Thanks for watching.